One of those successful smartwatches for women last year was the Kate Spade Scallop. Now, Kate Spade is back with a new creative director at the helm and the Scallop 2, a refreshed smartwatch for 2019. There's been some subtle design changes and some major tech changes, so let's take a closer look. If you're familiar with the Kate Spade Scallop, you'll certainly remember what made it popular and where it got its name is the scallop design around the bezel here. Well, for the Kate Spade Scallop 2, that design has been extended down the watch strap. There's two straps with this scallop design, this one the metal bracelet and also a leather version. And that's a really interesting design change. It brings it together. The new creative director is particularly interested in two design elements for Kate Spade products, and one is the scallop, so therefore it has been extended throughout the design. The other is the spade motif, which you can see at the top of the screen here. And what this does is tie in not only to design elements you're going to see across the entire Kate Spade range, but also the new tech inside the Scallop 2. The watch has got a heart rate sensor on the back. You probably can't see it because the strap is in the way, but there is a heart rate sensor on the back. And the Spade is available across all screens, and with a tap, you get this wonderful little animation and you go straight into the heart rate sensor. That's available across all screens throughout the operating system, and that's a first. We've not seen that before on other watches. Kate Spade told us this is a particularly desirable feature for its new watch that its customers have been asking for. So we really like that design. It's nice to see the spade motif actually used on the watch this time rather than just in the name. So let's have a look around the design itself. There's two bodies, one in gold you see here and one in rose gold. It's quite a thin body. It's a 1.2 inch screen on the front. So if you're familiar with the scallop design and you've been looking at this one, you'll have noticed that there's a new button beneath the crown. And we're going to show you that using this model with the alternative scalloped strap. And what it does is, it is a customizable button, but out of the box, it links into one of the really cool features on the original Scallop called Choose Your Look. So you push that, and the idea is that you're able to create your own watch face using colors and designs that match your outfit. And we'd not seen anything quite like that before. The idea obviously is to have a personalized watch. And this is a really fast, quick and easy way to create a watch that matches your outfit. And it's nice that Kate Spade has decided to put that so quickly onto this quick access button at the side. Additionally, if you don't use that feature and you're quite happy with your standard watch face, that's configurable so you can use it for any quick access feature on the watch. Really nice addition to that. What else for the Scallop 2? Well, the tech inside has changed. Not only have you got a heart rate sensor, but there's NFC for payments, and there's built-in GPS for using this without your phone when you go running. The watch faces, there's 11 in total, and several of them have been designed by the new creative director, and many of them use features and design elements that are going to be seen again across the Kate Spade range. So if you're a Kate Spade fan, you're going to be able to match this to many of the items that you buy over the coming year. This uses the new version of Android inside. It has the lovely rotating crown to use see your notifications. It's the new version of Wear OS rather than Android, and it uses the Snapdragon 2100 processor inside. Now, if you're wondering why on earth this doesn't use the 3100, which is the brand new one, Kate Spade said to us that this isn't really a priority for them. They're happy with being able to meet their design and their technology desires using the 2100. So you're not going to see the 3100 in the Scallop 2 just yet. But to all intents and purposes, this is working very nicely indeed with the 2100. So you're going to be able to pre-order this from January the 8th, and it's going to be in stores at the end of January 20th, somewhere around that. They start at $295 for the version with this strap and go up to $335 for the version with the metal bracelet that you saw here. That is the Kate Spade Scallop 2, and it's available pretty much as you're watching this.